Guys, this is the video to learn how to reset your Windows 10 PC to factory settings. A very simple and easy way. Just search reset here and click on here reset this PC. Here click on reset PC. Once you click on it, it will give you two options: keeping your personal files or removing everything. So if you select this second option, so it will remove all your personal files, apps and settings. So if you need clean and as a default settings, so select this second option. And if you need your personal file, so select it, it will remove apps and settings. So select any option which is your requirement. So this is the video to learn how to reset. Thanks for watching.